Maryland records more than 2,000 new coronavirus cases and 20 more deaths. But there's some good news. Hospitalizations and the positivity rate are down slightly. Today, Governor Larry Hogan will speak to the public about the state of the pandemic, and he'll give an update on when people in Maryland will begin getting a vaccine. WJZ is live. Annie Rose Ramos has the latest developments. Annie Rose?
Hey Lynn, good morning. Well, we already know that once the vaccine initially becomes available, there won't be enough for everyone. There won't even be enough for every frontline worker across America. But doctors are now stressing that once the vaccine does become available to everyone, everyone needs to take it.
We are seeing record numbers of cases, hospitalizations, and deaths.
Maryland health experts talked about building the community's confidence in COVID vaccines.
What are the questions that they have? What are the concerns that are coming from the community?
We certainly see the value in setting up pods, which will be, locations of dispensing the vaccine.
Stuart Bell, a MedStar vice president, says he's worried about hospitals filling up.
I would call it almost like a tsunami, because it's not a big wave, it's sort of this slow, steady crescendo increase. And that's been layered really on top of taking care of our usual chronically ill patients.
Maryland recorded 2,302 new infections. Although the positivity rate was down and is below 8%, a recent report by the White House Coronavirus Task Force, obtained by the Center of Public Integrity, lists Baltimore County in the red zone, meaning the positivity rate is too high.
The community spread has become really considerable over these last 3 to 4 weeks.
Dr. Bell acknowledged there are different strains of COVID-19. The Raven said 4 unique strains were found in their facility during the recent outbreak, and one was highly contagious. Among the recent COVID-related deaths in Maryland, Rob Cadrette, a 22-year veteran of the Charles County Sheriff's Office, and Antoine Ball, a 43-year-old teacher from Baltimore. His family has now raised more than $6,000 for a GoFundMe for his funeral expenses. And Lynn, the governor is expected to discuss the vaccine when he addresses Maryland this afternoon at 3 p.m. Reporting live, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.
Watch the governor's update live right here on WJZ. Our coverage starts at 3 o'clock.
6:34 now. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the country is nearly 15 million. More than 283,000 people have died. In some places, hospitals are running out of room. Massachusetts and Rhode Island, among them, are issuing field hospitals to cure and catch the large amount of patients that are being sent there. And a medical center in Nevada is using a converted parking garage. Nearly 33 million residents are now under a stay-at-home order in California, and New York Governor Andrew Cuomo is directing hospitals to increase capacity by 25%. Now, meanwhile, they're calling it V-Day in the United Kingdom. Today, the country kicks off a mass coronavirus immunization program. And this morning, the first shot was given to a woman just days shy of turning 91 years old. An estimated 800,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine are available. The Food and Drug Administration is expected to authorize the vaccine for emergency use in the United States on Thursday.